Hello, welcome to the newest on season 3 Joel's Cooking Show. Check out my latest ordinary meal. We got this, my friends. Fresh cut green beans, right? Well, what you want to do first is apply just a little bit of hot sauce on all the green beans. This is Melinda's ghost pepper sauce. There, you can see it. Alright. You want to apply it on the food, of course. Like that. Like pouring it on there even. On the green beans. Decides to make a move right now with a 6 high. It's a creative little hand. His problem is you got the kind of hand that normally you want something to happen after the flop. He's going all in with 6 high. Just like that Arnold quickly throwing his hand away. Blair's going to be making any moves. He's certainly wrong about that. I'm surprised he pulled it so quickly, man. Literally, when you have an ace high, there's no hand that you're 2-to-1 underdog on unless you're up against 2 aces. Give Blair credit for making it happen there. He may not be catching cards. He sees you don't have to catch them to win. Gets fired. You're watching the World Poker Challenge from Reno, Nevada. Stay tuned. We're coming back with more on the World Poker Tour. Having a complete meltdown right now. Champion of the WBC. Things are heating up with a new season of the World Poker Tour. Come on, Max. That's why I think I'm pretty. I'm going to heat it up for about 1 minute. I'm also at the Alex, and I'm doing great. That is my little snowman painting I got over here. It looks pretty cool. I rescued it for BFS shelter. Alright, about a minute has passed. You want to take these out. And you want to apply from the fridge even now some olive oil we got here. Especially if you have something to stir it with, like a fork or a spoon. You might want another plate for this, folks.
put the plate in the microwave oven. And you want to shut it. I'm going to put about another minute. See how it does. Then you want to quickly stir this and barely touch it at the same time. And turn it in the microwave.
Right now, Blair Rodman in a dominating position above. A 4-1 favorite to do so. You see his wife Roxy in the crowd holding her breath. If he wins this fight, he'll be the chip leader here. And in great shape to have a shot at this title. It's the first three.
And if you want to make grease, all you need is a paper cup and leave it in the fridge for hours. Overnight, you'll have hot sauce, green bean grease with just from the olive oil and the hot sauce and the cooked green beans. Thank you for watching my cool yet mysterious new cooking video with the use of the microwave. Thank you guys for watching. Please stay tuned for more future videos on season 3 of Joel's Cooking Show and also on my current YouTube AK Wordplay channel. Thank you for everything, guys. Please leave your comments, questions, concerns, or if you'd like to give me a new idea or a recipe, please post that as well. Bye.